Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. TKinter has three built-in layout managers. First one is back, second is grid, and third is place managers. In this video, we'll discuss the grid geometry manager, which places the widgets in a two-dimensional grid system. The master wizard is split into a number of rows and columns, and each cell in the resulting table can hold wizards. As we have done in our previous videos, we will create labels and entry boxes, and we will try to put them in a particular row and column. The two labels we have created just now is L1 and L2. As you know, in TKinter we have to create the wizards and place them in a particular position. Previously we are using dot pack method. Now we will use dot grid, and we have to mention the row and column number. We will place the two labels one below another. For that, the column number should be same, but row number should be different. L1 dot grid, row 0 and column 0 will place in first row and first column, and we want to place the second label just below it. We have to write row 1 and column 0. As I want to create two entry boxes just beside the two labels, E1 will be just beside of L1 and E2 will be just to the right of L2. E1 is equal to entry and within bracket root comma width is equal to 50. We'll create the first entry box in which the user can enter the data, and we'll create the second one also. E2 is equal to entry and within bracket root comma width is equal to 50. We'll create the second entry wizard. As we want to place the first entry wizard just to the right of L1, we have to write E1 dot grid. It will be in the same row. For that we have to write row 0, but we want to place the wizard just to the right of L1. For that we have to write column 1. Likewise, the second entry wizard we want to place just right to the second label. For that, E2 dot grid, row 1 and column 1 we have to write, because it will be in the same row as L2, and E2 will be just below E1. We will execute the program to see how it look like. Instead of capital T, we have to write small t in text. Now we'll execute the program. As you can see, there are two labels and two entry boxes. But if we will try to position the second label and second entry in row 5, can you place it? We'll try to do it by making row is equal to 5. Now I will execute the program to see whether the second level and second entry is in fifth row. But as you can see, it is in second row only because the second, third and fourth rows are not there. Then it is placing the fifth row in second position only. It is relative. It will see whether the second, third, fourth rows are there or not. If not, then it will place the fifth row in second position only. Now I will try to make another label and will place that label in second row. Now we'll execute the program to see. There are three labels, one in first row, one in second row, and third one is in fifth row, but it is in third row only. Hope this series is useful to you. Thanks for watching the video.